Heartsine Samaritan PAD 360p, an innovative, fully automatic defibrillator that provides audio-visual CPR coaching. Let's look at how to use one in a life-saving situation. The Samaritan PAD should be used on victims of sudden cardiac arrest who are unconscious, not breathing, and have no pulse. Check for a response by shaking the victim by the shoulders and talking loudly to the victim. If the patient is unresponsive, immediately call for medical assistance and get the Samaritan PAD as quickly as possible. Press the green on-off button to turn on the Samaritan PAD. Depending on the pad pack currently installed, you will hear either an adult patient or a child patient prompt. If the patient is a child between 1 and 8 years of age, you should ensure a pink pediatric pack is installed. If a pink pediatric pack is not available, you may use the grey adult pad pack instead.
Adult patient. Call for medical assistance. Remove clothing from patient's chest to expose bare skin. Pull green tab to remove pads. Peel pads from liner. Apply pads to patient's bare chest as shown in picture. Press pads firmly to patient's bare skin.
The Samaritan PAD automatically assesses the patient's heart rhythm.
Assessing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
And will automatically deliver a shock if needed.
Stand clear of patient. Shock advised. Stand clear of patient. Shock will be delivered in 3, 2, 1. Shock delivered.
When performing CPR, it's important to apply effective chest compressions for each 2-minute cycle as directed. The SAM 360p will prompt you to begin CPR.
Begin CPR. It is safe to touch the patient.
The SAM 360p will tell you how and where to place your hands.
Place overlapping hands in middle of chest. Press directly down on the chest in time with metronome. Remain calm.
In addition to staying in time with the metronome, your chest compressions should have a depth of at least 5 centimeters or 2 inches and not greater than 6 centimeters or 2.4 inches for adults and children greater than 8 years of age. The combination of chest compressions and defibrillation is the best treatment you can provide until medical professionals arrive on the scene. Once you have completed 2 minutes of chest compressions, the SAM 360p will prompt you to stop chest compressions.
Stop CPR.
And again, assess the patient's heart rhythm.
Assessing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Sometimes, no shock is needed in a life-saving situation.
No shock advised.
And the Samaritan PAD will tell you in that instance or advise you to continue to perform CPR.